Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align two tables vertically in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu, go to the table and insert two table up or down. Then click the up table, then again go to the insert menu and table, insert table. Then go to the down cell, go to the insert menu, table and insert table. Now I have moved the table. You can move the table and everything. Now I am change the table color. And says table white. You can resize the table big or small very easily. Here you can see align two table vertically in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.